I know one thing is true. Your dream job does exist. You just need to craft it. I'm Tanya D. Sullivan, owner of CRAFT Academy Salon. I can't wait to meet you all on tour. I live to help others recognize their potential. I also love creating once-in-a-lifetime experiences for salons and all their team members. Regardless of where you're at in the industry, there is something really fun and specifically catered to help you achieve your career goals on our tour. Our entire CRAFT Academy Salon team is dedicated to sharing our craft through mentorship, career, culture, and business building workshops, KARAOKE Hairshow Fundraisers, yes, karaoke, and a damn good time. We can't wait to visit places that normally don't receive the same plethora of education opportunities larger cities take for granted. We're all raring to meet and celebrate stylists who appreciate the value of a great event in their own backyard. Tell all your friends, because it's going to be one hell of a good time.